Hello guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make better quality video on CapCut. So first of all, download the video clip with 1080p or 4K quality. Just search video with high quality, add effects B and W sketch under comic, align the effect to the main video, adjust sharpen to 100 of the main video to strengthen the lines. Add another effect blur under basic, be sure to align all effects to main video, then export it. Go back to project, replace B and W sketch effect to neon. Be sure that all effects are aligned to main video, then export again. Go back to project again and delete all effects. Add the two video clip with effects that was just exported. Be sure to align the overlay clips to main video. Click the first overlay, then click Splice, select Burn. Then adjust 35 to 45%. I choose 40. Then second clip, Splice Dodge, adjust it 50 to 65%. I choose 65. You can also adjust the color settings for better quality. Adjusting the color will depend on the video that you use. There are no exact number. Color settings are used brightness -7, contrast 5, saturation 10, exposure -8, sharpen 100, highlight 30. Just align the color settings to main video. So I hope it will helpful for you. If it is, let me know in the comment section and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.